Welcome to Heliac Laser. Today, we'll be presenting a tutorial on how to use the HJ series laser welding machine. First, connect them to their respective terminals on the circuit breaker according to the picture markings. Once the connections are secure, we can power up the machine. Turn on the main control switch. The power indicator on the front panel will light up. Then, press the emergency stop button and the system switch button in turn. Changing the language for the welding machine system. First, click on Settings. Enter the system password, then click the Language button. Select your preferred language, for example, English, and click Save. Finally, press the Back button. Click on the Technology button. Adjust the parameters according to your welding material and thickness. Afterward, click Save and Apply, and then press Return. Next time, you can simply click on the Technology button and select a previously saved configuration for quick setup. Change the language in the settings as in the welder system. On the screen, you'll find manual wire feeding and manual wire retract buttons. Use these to manually adjust the welding head position and wire length. These are the basic settings for the welding machine. Now, you can proceed with your welding tasks. Thank you for watching.